In this video, they want us to find missing side lengths using trig ratios. And it says the figure above shows a right angle with dimensions in centimeters if theta equals 62 degrees, so this is 62 degrees. What is the length of y to the nearest centimeter? So they want to know what the length of y is. Well, to figure out the length of y, we're going to go ahead and use, we're going to label these sides. This would be the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. And this is the hypotenuse. So if I want to find the opposite side, I have to use the adjacent side. So that means I'm going to be using tangent theta because it's opposite over the adjacent side. Well, that gives us tan 62 if I plug in the angle. Remember, once I plug, I can't do anything with this angle piece. So when I go to do multiply or adding, subtracting, or dividing, I'm not doing that to this angle. This is inside the tangent function. Tan 62 is equal to the opposite, which is y, over the 44. I'm going to multiply by 44 on each side. And you get 44 tan 62 equals y. Now make sure that you're in degree mode here. And go ahead and plug in 44 tan 62. So I am in degree mode, and I do 44 tan 62 in the calculator. It tells me it's 82.75. Round to the nearest centimeter, so that's 83 centimeters. Now, if I get 83 centimeters here, that's all they asked me for in the problem, but how could I find this other side? The hypotenuse. Well, to find the hypotenuse, I could use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or I could use adjacent and hypotenuse to find that side. So I could use cosine. So cosine 62 equals 44 over hypotenuse, or I could use opposite over hypotenuse, sine, to find that. And then to find this angle up here, if they ask you to find that angle, we know that the angles in the triangle add up to 180, so if I added these two together and then subtracted it from 180, I would get that angle there.